Hey, guys. Welcome to my channel. I know you've been working hard on your Instagram Reels and I'm here to help you get those bonuses. If you get accepted to the Reels bonus program, the quickest way to start earning is to copy and paste videos from TikTok, download without watermark and re-upload them to your Instagram Reels. Pick a niche. My favorite niche is fitness and beauty, or whatever niche you're already posting. Now that we've covered what makes up a good Instagram Reel, let's talk about how you should go about creating one for yourself. The first step is finding inspiration. Look at other people's work and see what styles work best for you. Next up is storyboarding. This means coming up with an idea for what your video will be about, and all you have to do is click the link in the description below this video and follow the instructions. It's that easy. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.